Perhaps you have found yourself wondering, with so many options available online for making money passively, what's the greatest approach to making some extra money online? Well, you've come to the right place. If you're interested in learning about passive income anywhere in the world and with no cost, here's the easiest way to accomplish it. Make sure you make it to the end so you can start earning with us. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. So let me begin by simply describing what Honeygain and Purr2Profit are, in case you are not already familiar with them. With these sites, you may earn money while doing other things. They serve a wide variety of clients, all of whom require internet connectivity to troubleshoot issues, try out advertisements, conduct online research, and so on. So they pay Honeygain and Purr2Profit for access through their customers. Here's where we come in. We may make money by renting out a portion of our spare internet bandwidth to others. This works whether our individual internet needs are met by a large or modest plan. Naturally, there is a great deal of safety in place for these platforms. On their website, they detail everything they do to guarantee your safety. This has nothing to do with disclosing private information or granting access to a user's computer or other electronic devices. To be clear, all you're doing here is utilizing one another's bandwidth on the internet. If you're worried about security and anything like that though, you can find a lot of information about it on each website, so do that first. So how does it work? You must first install these programs on your devices by downloading them from their official websites. It normally only takes a few minutes after everything is set up. There is absolutely zero action required on your part. Every time you use one of your connected gadgets to access the internet, you will rack up passive earnings. How simple is that? I want to point out that while these resources won't make you rich, they do have one major advantage. They require zero effort on your part, provided that you approach it with the appropriate mindset. Now, let's go over our first website, Purr2Profit.io. They recommend that you let others into your network and benefit from it, and we intend to make good use of that aspect of the website. A monthly increase of $2 is guaranteed for each additional IP address that you bring into the fold. Okay, but how does it function? And how much cash can we expect to make? Sadly, where you live has a significant impact on your income level in this country. But before we move on, make sure you've liked this video by giving us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see more of the easiest ways to earn money online. Now, let's continue. Now here's the deal. One can receive a different sum of money based on their geographical location on Earth. Your actual take-home pay may be more or less than the average shown on this map, but it should give you a decent idea of what to expect. For example, Canadian residents can earn $4.08 per IP address per month. That's an average of $2.08 per month per IP address. If you're in the US, if you're located in Europe and Poland, for example, that's still more than $4 per IP. In this case, you do better than that and earn a point. For those in India, the difference will be rather noticeable. In certain regions of India, the most you may hope to earn each month is less than $1. However, we are not going to let that discourage us in any way. I doubt that you will have access to that many electronic gadgets. Realistically, you probably won't have more than 2 or 3, and hence won't make anywhere near $20,000. As a result, the typical person may expect to make an extra $8 each month with Purr2Profit. And to put that in perspective, that's an additional $100 in your pocket per year at no cost to you. Will that lead to you becoming wealthy? Certainly not. Also, that's if you have more than 35 gadgets, including cell phones and laptops, all going at once. Let's be honest, that's going to be tough to accomplish. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about how you will use peer-to-peer lending in 3 easy steps. You can also help individuals in need by making use of your unused bandwidth, earning money for each gigabyte of data you transfer, and growing your referral base. The real magic occurs when you start attracting new users to the platform, which is how you may increase your earnings. You can recommend Purr2Profit to your friends who are looking to supplement their income online but may not have the necessary skill sets themselves. Ultimately, once you've installed these applications, all you have to do to start making money is sit back and watch the money roll in. This is the essence of passive income, and it's what our second app, Honeygain, is all about. Now go to your browser and type in honeygain.com and download or create an account with them. With this app, there is zero effort required on your part. After installation, you can sit back and watch as it quietly collects data and distributes network bandwidth. That's where your passive income is coming from, by the way. Trustpilot gives it a solid grade, but you must understand how your internet is being put to use. Before I discuss more, we'd love to know what you think about Peer-to-Profit and Honeygain so far in the comments section below. Now let's go back. Once you activate Honeywell, your devices will function as view towers, allowing well-known companies from all over the world to gain access to the internet without being subject to local censorship or restrictions. And here's a reasonable estimate of the exact amount of money you can anticipate making. The use of 3 unique internet protocol addresses will cost you an additional $50 per month. What does that imply then? Okay, so add another $50 to your monthly bill if you use 3 devices. That's actually very decent if you ask me. Your prospective earnings will be affected by several circumstances though. You should consider factors such as your location, the number of IP addresses you're willing to use, and the ping time or speed of your network. But supposing they are all correct, what would you do then? Tell me what the first steps are to using it. Okay, I don't think I need to explain that. At the outset, you will need to install it on a computer running Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or Android. It's compatible with about every OS out there. After that is completed, Honey can be utilized. When you launch the program, it will immediately begin collecting the mentioned data from various online sources without jeopardizing your privacy in the slightest. It will not track your activity in any way. It will merely do searches on the internet and supply the results to companies all across the world. And that's why you are getting paid. You're contributing, you're helping them conduct their research, and anything else has to be done on the internet. That's how the money comes in. There are different payment methods available, including Bitcoin, PayPal, and others. Therefore, there is no deficiency in that regard either. Consequently, if you're serious about making money, you may have everything ready to go in under 5 minutes. It is available for instant download and use. Now that we've discussed the 2 websites, you can choose whichever you prefer. The reality is that downloading these apps will not make you rich. You shouldn't expect them to make you rich. And that's because they won't. People who want to generate some quick cash online with minimal investment should use these programs. Learning a skill and being able to help others or launch your own online business is essential if you want to make money online. However, it will require some work on your part. Peer-to-Profit or Honeygain? Which of these apps worked best for you? Leave your answer in the comment box below. You can actually use both of them and earn more. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.